like the website that our college is in the top 100 list of the best colleges in India.
Again, I am proud to announce that
It's
our college,
86th or something.
our college at national level is 86th,
Yeah.
including all IITs, NITs, RICs, government colleges.
That was very nice.
And in Maharashtra, we are number 2 among all the private colleges.
Oh, great, great.
So, well, when you were here, how did you find college that time? Were you really satisfied? Did you ever feel that you really belong to a very good institution? What was your feeling?
Every day.
Yeah?
Yeah, I mean, we gave our 4 years for the college. For every event, every day, we used to be here for 8 hours. I mean, no matter we bunked the classes and all, but we were in college for all the time. And each day I mean, a college is a place where we get our friends for life. So I mean, every day I felt that I'm part of the college and I should give something back to college.
Prashant, what's your feeling about
No, for me, this college will be always there in my mind throughout my life. It's like I can easily say that those were some of the best days I have spent in my life. I could get a lot more than what I expected that I would get out of an engineering course. I could get very good friends, very good teaching from the faculties. I could in fact change a lot of my attitude. Other than helping me learn a lot of things about engineering aspects, I could actually change a lot of my attitude and the way I look towards life and how to approach life. So not only this college provided a good faculty and good infrastructure, but the kind of friends that I could get, who will, like Vishwesh mentioned, will be my lifetime friends, is a very, very big bonus that I got out of this college.
Okay. Vishwesh, can you narrate me an incident which you will never forget that happened in this college?
I mean, a lot of incidents, but the best one was like when I was in 3rd year. I was a college general secretary, and we organized the rock band show for the first time. And like every year, students from YCC used to come in the college with
I was
hockey sticks and all those
professor in
things.
charge SRC that time.
He was a professor in charge, and every year, like 50 odd YCC students with hockey sticks used to come to our college. So that time also at around 9 o'clock, 50 to 60 YCC postulates in Sumos, they came to a college and asked for me. Being the GS, they were like rushing towards me. But thanks to the boys hostel in our college, 100 students from boys hostel circled me with hockey sticks, and we had a good fight. But in the end, we won. So that was I mean, my first incident where I actually saw fighting scene in my life.
It was a great escape.
It was a great escape, but at the same time, I mean, all the students were standing there for the college.
Yeah.
So that's a big deal.
Prashant, any incident that you would like to quote here?
Yeah, there are actually many. Very difficult to actually quote one, but yeah, I would like to give one quote of my experience. It was the cricket match actually. Again, the connected to cricket here now as well. It was a cricket tournament, and we had won the cricket tournament for the 3rd consecutive year. And that time I had a red S-team. About 28 players from our team, from our class actually boarded onto that car, and we took a round along with the trophy in the whole college, with 28 people sitting on the bumper of the car and one end of the car everywhere. So it was an amazing picture for me, and I was driving it. It was a lovely moment which I still remember.
कॉलेज का ऐसी कुछ चीज जो आपको कॉलेज की बहुत ज़्यादा याद दिलाती है?
हर एक चीज सर, I mean, हर एक चीज from the टपरी behind hostel to the classes, but the best thing was Pratishruti. My life is Pratishruti. I mean, my G-Dog status says my first love Pratishruti. So मेरी शादी होगी the status is there. I mean, but it should be. That's a.
प्रशांत आपको कौन सी चीज ज्यादा याद है?
नहीं, पूरी मैं आपको बोला ना, हर चीज मेरे मतलब दिमाग में एकदम यादें बनी हुई है और कभी मिटेगी नहीं। हर चीज ही याद है, इनफैक्ट मैं आपको एक नहीं, हर चीज कोई भी चीज भुला नहीं कॉलेज की।
हर दिन
आप
याद है सर
कोई भी बोलिए ना, ये
ऑर्डर
उसमें ऐसा हुआ था,
किया।
ऐसा करते थे हम लोग।
लड़कियों की नहीं बात
So
शादी हो गई है तो डेफिनेटली इस बारे में बात की।
मैरिज हॉल में इंस्टॉलेशन की प्रैक्टिस होती ही थी हमेशा।
Well, what do you think about the commercialization of education that is happening? What's your opinion on that?
For that, I don't have much idea, but what I know, it has pros and cons, but it's good. First of all, it's good for the marketing of the college. You can get good students in that.
By commercialization, we mean that people charging a lot of donations and doing so many things which may not be morally or ethically good. So, what is your opinion about those things?
Donations for admissions and all.
Yeah, donations for admissions and other things.
That I don't agree. I mean, the admission should be by merit. That is my opinion. I mean,
Yeah,
it's beyond that.
Yeah, I strongly feel that admission should be by merit, and definitely commercialization of that extent that where you take a lot of donations to take admissions is not what I actually prefer. But yeah, maybe the fees has increased from the times. Like I had paid 8,000 rupees as my annual fees. And I'm sure it must be more than 70,000 now. So that is the what commercialization is. I don't mind that much, because ultimately if college will have enough fund, only then it can build up proper infrastructure and they can be serious about education. So if that is what commercialization is, then it's fine. But if it goes beyond it and goes into getting money to take students who are not having proper caliber, then I will be very much against it.
So the point is, I suppose, that even if you charge donation and if you blow back that money from the development of institution, then it's okay.
To a certain extent, I mean, you don't want to take students with no merit just because they are giving you donations of 5 lakhs or more. I mean, anything. Because in the end, they have to cope with other students who came by merit, and it's not a good compare between those two. So, I mean, as Prashant said, to a certain extent, like charging fees, but it should be equal for all. It should not be like for 5 students they came by donation, because in the end they will suffer. They will not be able to cope up with the students, I think.
Well, I hope you must be remembering a lot of the professors
Yeah.
taught you at different levels. So here I am trying to get the name of professor against the different qualities, different attributes. Like if I ask you, caring, what name would come to your mind?
Kamal Agarwal.
So, I did not interacted with him much because I was in electronics. Like caring, I say Professor Kothari was there. Professor Agni Putri was there in electronics. He's not there right now. But apart from there,
Professor Kothari was there.
yeah, Professor Kothari was there.
He now is in VNIT.
VNIT, yeah.
Yeah.
So Professor Kothari and then Professor Agni Putri sir from the first year. Chemistry.
If I ask you the attribute of short-tempered or scary, what name clicks to your mind?
For me, it was Government sir.
Varangar sir.
Helpful.
Everybody.
In fact, I will not say everybody,
Yeah.
but definitely because you were caring, definitely your name still talks.
Stubborn.
Professor Lakhi.
Then inspirational or motivational name.
You, Professor Gole,
Professor Gole.
Dr. Gode.
Yeah.
Limesh sir, I mean, to a certain extent.
Now, if I ask you to change one thing about the college, what would you like to change?
Change or improve? I mean, sir.
Maybe improve or change the thing that